So today we're going to be doing a really fun challenge. I have all of my students here today. Everyone say hi. Hi! And we're going to be doing the kick it or eat it challenge. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Woo! I think they're faking it. What the kick it or eat it challenge is I have a whole bunch of demo boards. They have 3 tries to break the demo board with anything I choose. If they do not break it, then they are gonna get to eat something really weird. I got a bunch of random things at the grocery store, and their punishment if they don't break the board is to eat one of those things. Now, are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Okay, let's hope they are. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First, baby food that's turkey with turkey broth.
That's all I know.
Yum?
No.
Yummy! It's Thanksgiving themed, that's why I picked it. Okay, the next one is prunes.
Oh, I love prunes.
Really? Who likes prunes?
I love prunes. I eat them all the time. Prunes.
Okay, next one. Banana with mayonnaise.
Oh my god. Actually, that doesn't sound that bad.
Okay, someone's really weird. Last one, peaches with ketchup.
Really, y'all? Yeah!
Who wants to go first?
Me! I'll try!
Okay, Azu, you are at first. Azu has to break with a front walkover.
Oh, geez.
Can hold like this? 1.
That's one.
We get 2 more. 2. This is her last try. She did it! You are safe. Kendrick, you have the choice of breaking either a tornado kick speed break or a cartwheel. Which one do you pick?
Tornado speed break.
Tornado speed break it is. Who do you want to hold your board?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Oh boy.
He's like, you're going down.
Okay, if you kick the camera, you have to eat everything at once.
Oh god.
Try 1. Ready, go. Whoa, he almost got the camera. First try, he eats nothing. I think I need to pick harder things. Okay, Angelina, you either get to break with, I'll give you 1 out of 3. Either an aerial, a front aerial, or a round off flash kick.
Who's gonna hold this? I can't hold for this. Mom, they're too short. I'll try front aerial.
Front aerial.
Front walkover.
Okay, will you show us what a front aerial looks like right there?
I can do it.
If you can do it. You're the one who picked it. Ready, set, go. Very awkward.
I'm gonna yell. Promise you won't hit
I hope not.
Promise. I won't. You got it. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, let me get nervous. I'm more nervous than her. Did you break it?
She didn't do a front aerial!
Good job.
If you fail again, then you have to eat it. No hands.
Oh man. Okay. You got baby food cut. Do it. I know.
What is happening?
Oh yeah, what is happening? We're communicating.
Okay, ready? Last try. No hands. You gotta break it. You can't fall.
I can't break it myself. Okay, send it. Scared. Okay. Tilt it more.
Fail! Angelina's the first person who gets to eat something. Yay!
Standing. Like standing like this or like this?
Okay. Fiorella, your break is gonna be a jump side kick over your sister and a bridge.
Oh, okay. Yes, I see. No, you just have to move. You have to like this.
I am so worried.
Go up, Angelina, go. Oh.
I'm so confused. Okay. Ready, get set, and go. Try number 2. She broke it! That's is boring. This is the only time I don't want you guys to break the board. Her kick is going to be a cheat 720, and she just learned this like 2 weeks ago.
What if it hits me? Ish?
Ish? Alright, let's see it.
Okay, maybe a little lower. We'll see.
Wait, she's coming this way.
Okay, then I...
Switch sides.
Oh.
I'm in the wrong place.
Oh, that's close.
Try number 1. Try number 2. Let's see. Not even close! Alright. I have hope for Wax.
Ah, don't kick her.
I really want you guys to fail.
It's okay if you kick it. She's a tough girl. You got it, like, she gets kicked all the time. That's true.
Okay, last try. Let's do it. Come on, Wax. She did it! I'm so sad.
That was the worst high five I've ever seen.
It was awesome. Same.
Alright, ready, Elizabeth? Let's go. 1!
And she hit it. She hit it.
Ah, I'm so sad. A dive roll punch at the same time. For some background info, Azu hates this board break more than anything in the world.
Because I break my neck.
Alright, Azu. Okay, hold it up. Let's go.
I'm not gonna make it.
Try 1.
I'll just try this next time.
Try number 2. Fail.
Yeah, we won for one.
Try number 3.
Boys. Boys.
Fail! She gets to eat something! Dive roll punch. He also doesn't love it. Ready? Get set, go! That was too easy! Okay, next. Nope. Fail! Oh, gotta say it again. Fiorella's up for round 2. Fiorella, you're gonna be doing a tornado kick, but your eyes are gonna have to be closed.
Oh my god. Wait, a tornado kick so I won't see where the board is. I just have to kick.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Alright.
I hate this. I like this.
Ready? Get set. Pour Wax. First try. Go. Whoa! This is not a fun game for me. Let's see which ones we want her to do. So let's see all 3 options. Wax. First one. Okay, it's option 1. Option 2. Option 3. I don't know. What do you guys want? All right, let's see it. 1.
You have to like kick your leg out.
Oh, I see. Oh, that just hit.
So close.
Where?
There? Yeah, I'll stay so you hit it more than that.
Okay.
Okay, Elizabeth's turn. She's gonna do a running jump front kick board break. Can you show us what it looks like first? All right, which leg are you kicking with? Pick one. Do we count that one? I don't know if that one counts. Rella, she's already been munching on her prunes because they're her new favorite snack. So she enjoyed this challenge a lot. All right, Wax, we get to watch you eat the peaches and ketchup.
Yummy.
Don't look so excited.
I'm really not.
Oh, look how yummy that looks.
So happy I switched out.
I know, I wanted the banana and mayonnaise too. So gross.
Yum. Okay, don't throw up, everyone. And go. Don't think about it. Yummy? Your Thanksgiving meal? Baby food turkey. I want a big spoonful.
That smelled nasty, miss.
Ready?
Oh, that's chunky. Like this.
Ready? Get set, go. Yo!
Just already looking, bro.
Alright, and our last person, Angelina, with her peaches and ketchup.
Oh.
This is so
I
fun.
have strategy.
You're done?
I'm gonna tell you. But then I forgot.
Alright, get ready, get set, and enjoy. Pretty good?
Yep, great. So this was the end of our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and yeah!